Manually handling wafers is expensive to maintain. You're dealing with an extremely fragile environment with exposure to breakage and contamination. And the more complex your wafer needs are, the greater the risk. At Jabil Precision Automation, we love a challenge. We have over 40 years in the semiconductor space with extensive wafer handling experience. We've partnered with some of the largest semiconductor manufacturers and OEM process tool makers around the world. Introducing our WaferMate automation platforms. This integrates with your process tool, allowing you to automate seamlessly. We build and deliver a wide range of wafer handling solutions, from full turnkey equipment front-end modules to custom automation platforms. Our WaferMate automation platform delivers high-performance wafer and substrate handling that helps streamline your process, whatever substrate you're working with. We'll engineer a solution that addresses your wafer handling needs and help get you set up. If you're ready for increased throughput, improved yield, and exceptional around-the-clock service, then you're ready to automate. Get in touch with one of our automation experts at jabil.com/wafer handling.